Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to install Windows 11 on your ACER computer, that is ACER Nitro or Predator Orion. So whenever you try to install it, you don't see your hard drive over here. So if this is what is happening, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now for this, to fix it, you can go to ACER website. The link is provided in the video description. Now go to ACER website and then enter your model number over here, or you can enter your serial number over here of your laptop. So example, I'm selecting this one. So whichever is your model number, enter the model number over here and then select your model number. Now once you select your model number, select the right operating system over here, Windows 11. Now scroll down over here, you can see you have to install this Intel Rapid Storage Technology. So here you can see IRST, and this is the latest one right now. So whichever is the latest, the version may change, the date may change over here. So here you can see there are two IRST driver. One is 13th July, other is 9th Feb. So I think this is the latest one. So you can download the latest one. Now once the download is complete, you can go to the download location and then make a right click and then click on extract all, extract, and once the extraction is done, you can copy this folder and you can just paste it to external flash drive. You have to download this driver onto a separate USB flash drive. So you can, once the extraction is complete, so I've extracted the file, you can copy this file and then you can go to external USB flash drive. This is just an example. So you can connect your flash drive and then you can transfer the file over here. Now once you have the file over here, now you can try to install the Windows. And when you try to install the Windows, you will need to install this driver from using this option which says load driver. So here you have to click on this load driver and then go to the installation location, select your USB flash drive, and you can try to load the driver, and then you can try to install the Windows, and that will help you. Once you install this driver, it will help you to reinstate the boot drive. You will be able to see the hard drives and you should be able to continue the Windows 11 installation. So this is how you can fix it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.